Hey, welcome back. My name's Melanie if you're new here, and today I'm sharing exactly what I eat in a day to hit 150 grams of protein. If you're new to eating a high protein diet, or maybe you're wondering why would somebody want to eat that much protein, simply for me, I have tried a lot of diets in my life so far, and this is the style of eating. That's what I want to call it. I don't want to even call it a diet because I don't feel like I'm dieting at all. I am enjoying life to the fullest. I'm eating some of my favorite foods, but I'm feeling satisfied after I eat. I'm not starving in like an hour after. I'm able to exercise and actually get the results that I want from my workouts. I'm building muscle a lot faster, and I just simply feel better. Those are just some of the benefits to eating a higher protein diet. I have actually typed up the full menu plan for today's eating. I've included all of the ingredients and the macros, so the calories, the protein, the fat, and the carbs. And I will link that completely for free in the description below, no strings attached. So if you want to recreate any of my recipes today, or if you just want to follow the full meal plan, hopefully you find that helpful. And if you enjoy videos like this, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. It tells me that I should make more videos like this, and it makes me feel good. Okay, let's do this. Oops, let those ones cook a little bit too long. Get them off the pan, gotta get them off the pan. Little Swiss, little egg. I love breakfast. I feel like my toast is missing something. Just a little bit of honey. If I can open it. This is healthy. That's better. Workout done. Let's go make a shake. Whew. So we're gonna have a shake. I am so hungry, and I can just feel my body is like wanting to just suck up some nutrients after that workout. So I'm gonna use a whey protein isolate powder, which is really high in protein. One scoop will give you, I think it's 35 grams of protein. So this is a really good powder. I'm also gonna add a little bit of chia seeds, some frozen banana, and spinach, and that's it. One scoop. Sometimes I'll make my shakes with almond milk, but sometimes I find they just get a little bit too thick and kind of like gummy, so I prefer water, to be honest. It's perfect. Lauren, come here. Say hi. So I just found the most beautiful live Christmas wreath, and yeah, I had to run out and grab it off of Facebook Marketplace, so I haven't even had a chance to shower yet, but I want to show you what I found. It's so cute. This. Totally love it. I also have to show you the pillows that I just grabbed at HomeSense. If you have any decorating advice or tips, please help me because I'm so bad at it, but I want things to look pretty, so please give me help. Should I put these cute pillows that way or this way. I love the tree, but I'm not sure if the beige goes with the gray chair. I don't know. Does that look weird? Maybe I just need to put like a blanket or something on the chair with it. But I just love them. Or maybe they would go better on my couch because my couch is beige. Oh, and I found these. Aren't these so cute? Love them, love them. It's feeling pretty festive in here. Okay, let's make some lunch. I am going to make a ground turkey taco salad. I'll show you how I make it. Chop up some onion and garlic. And then I'll saute this on the pan with the turkey and some taco seasoning and just keep it really simple. While the turkey's cooking, I'm going to start assembling my salad, and I'm just keeping it really simple today, but it's going to be really good. Last one. Got some jalapenos. Okay, I'm actually gonna measure my meat, or I'm gonna weigh my meat because I have calculated exactly how much protein I need today, and to hit my goal I have to get, how much turkey? I need 50 grams of ground turkey. It is actually not like a crazy amount. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Perfect lunch. And that only took me like 10 minutes to make. Some cheese. All right, we are ready to eat. Mommy. Oh, this looks phenomenal. So good. Look at you. Oh my goodness, my toddler is just destroying my house. Let me know if you can relate to this. Look what's happened. There's my craft cupboard. Ripped apart. Lauren, was that you?
Sorry, Mommy.
That's okay. Let's come and eat now, okay? I don't find this salad needs any extra dressing because I squeeze the lime juice over it, and also with the yogurt and the salsa and the guacamole, I feel like that's kind of the dressing for this salad. So I almost forgot that I have 2 sourdough loaves in my fridge that I made yesterday that I have to bake today. So I'm gonna throw my pots in the oven, preheat those for about 45 minutes while I have a quick shower, bake my sourdough loaves, and get my toddler down for her nap, and then pick up my kids at the bus. Whew. So glad I did not forget about those sourdough loaves because I'm looking forward to eating that for breakfast tomorrow. I really want coffee, but I know I probably shouldn't have another coffee. Tea does sound really nice, but I really want coffee. But I'm gonna have tea. Oh, I'm really liking this tea. It's a rooibos tea, so it's a herbal tea. It's like a nice evening tea or afternoon tea if you're not drinking a coffee like me. Just about to go for a hike with my kids in the back, and I'm gonna just bring some carrot sticks and celery sticks, and that's just gonna hold me off until dinner, and there is no way that I'm not having a slice of that bread. So that's not gonna be in the meal plan, but I am gonna be having a little bit of sourdough bread because, come on. What is it? Is it a deer? Is it a deer track?
Mom, watch this.
All right, we made it back from our hike, and I'm gonna go in and get dinner started. So I'm gonna do some baked sweet potatoes. So those will take a little while, so I'm gonna get those on first. And then we're gonna do steak tonight. I bought some lean cuts of steak. I'll do up that. And then I'm also gonna do some green beans with a little bit of Parmesan and lemon juice. Yummy, yummy. Man in his element. So tempting. Look at that goodness. What do you think you're doing?
Eating bread. Bread?